Hi sewing lover, today we will learn this beautiful dress, the kaftan dress, or you can say the abaya dress or bobo dress. So here you can see there is a fitted belt and the back is loose and front is open as well. So first thing is we are going to take the measurement. So first require the total length from shoulder towards your ankle. Then we need the shoulder length. And then we also need here the sleeve length, and it depends what sleeve length you require. And then we need the chest measurement. Guys, if you are first time on my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more video tutorials. So first I take a small piece to explain you. This is the total length, and this one is total width that is required from one sleeve to our other sleeve. That's how you can take on your body. So this is the required width of your fabric, and now I'm just folding it. And here I'm only cutting the back side. First we need only the back side, and then we will cut the front side. So here I just mark the neckline width. It depends on how you want. Here I just mark suppose 2.5 inches, and 3 inches down is my neckline for the actual size. Now I just mark ½ inch and then 1 inch just to make here a slant line. And then after that I need the width of my sleeve hem. Here suppose you can take it 7 inches, but you can make it less or more according to your desire. So this, after these two marking, we need our bust point. But first just make sure that you mark it clearly. And guys, if this video is useful, please don't forget to hit the like button. Now next is bust measurement from shoulder to your bust. You can mark here and take the bust point on your this fabric and mark it like this. And after bust line, bust point, you have to take the bust line or chest line. So for that you have to take chest on your body, something like this. You can take the measurement of your chest and mark here your chest line. After marking this chest line, you just need to join your sleeve towards your chest and just mark this side lines till end. And here also just cut it. Your shoulders are a little slant, and this is our back side of our this gown. See, this is the back side. Now we will cut the front side. And guys, if you are absolute beginner, you can check my course for the beginner. So here you need 2 inch extra wide. The width wise it should be 2 inches extra. And then place your back side on this front side and then mark all the lines. My fabric is on 2-fold. Now obviously you need the front neckline bigger than the back, so you can mark according to your desire. You can make here 5 depth, but obviously the width will be same as the back. So now separate this. So this is 2 pieces for the front. Now from upside towards down, leave how much you want your neck open, and then from down towards up, leave how much the slit you want on your dress, and then stitch from one point to other. To turn this, we need here the double-sided tape, and then I just place it and then press it, because here we don't need the stitching. And now just I'm stitching all the shoulder part and the side stitching. And for the front opening, we use here the double-sided tape because we don't want to show our stitching on the right side. So here I just take a belt and mark here the waist point on your dress. So at waist point, again mark the center, almost 7 inch on the center. So here I'm just going to attach my this belt something like this with 2 stitches. And this is the belt that we will tie it for to make our front fitted. And you can see that back side is loose and front is fitted. This is because of this belt. Hope you like this easy tutorial. Thank you for watching.